why did I decide to become a TRE provider? I work as a counselor. I found out long ago that working with the cognitive mind is not enough if you want some change. And so I was looking for something to complete my job, the job that I do with my clients. And I approached yoga. I became a yoga teacher, a great tool, but I was not satisfied. When I came across a post on Facebook of Maria offering a 2-hour workshop, I said to myself, well, give it a try. And I liked it so much, and I found it so effective. And what did TRE do for me? And what does it do for my clients? It helped me to bring the mind in the body. So to really feel that the human being is a psycho-somatic unit. And since I started teaching, giving my clients TRE, suggesting my client TRE, I saw and I see that they can experience a deeper unity and awareness. Because perceiving yourself in the body is different from thinking yourself, very different. And it makes the difference.